Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add Amazon Prime Video to Google TV step by step, so you can start streaming your favorite movies and series in just a few minutes. Step 1. Turn on your Google TV device and make sure it's connected to the internet. From the home screen, use your remote to navigate to the top menu. Step 2. Select the Apps section. This is where you can browse and manage all applications available on Google TV. Step 3. Choose Search for Apps and Games and type Amazon Prime Video using the on-screen keyboard or voice search. Make sure you select the official Amazon Prime Video app. Step 4. Click on Install. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This usually takes less than a minute depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Once installation is complete, select Open. You can also find Amazon Prime Video later in your app's library on the Google TV home screen. Step 6. When the app opens, sign in to your Amazon account. You can do this by entering your email and password with the remote or by using the Sign In link shown on the screen and completing the process on your phone or computer. After signing in, the app will load your profile and content library. You can now browse, search, and stream Amazon Prime Video directly on your Google TV. If Amazon Prime Video was already pre-installed on your device, simply open it from the Apps section and sign in using the same steps. That's it. You've successfully added Amazon Prime Video to Google TV, and you're ready to start watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials.